Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the change now. Open Facebook and sign in, then go straight to Settings and Privacy and into Settings. Once there, choose Security and Login so you land on relevant controls. You need to locate the Identity Verification or Lock ID option. It may be nested under 2 taps. If prompted, prepare your government ID photo or uploaded file type. That speeds verification. Make sure to have your phone for 2FA codes, because Facebook often requires a code before allowing an ID change. Once you choose Change or Edit, pick Upload ID or Take Photo and follow the prompts carefully. You'll crop the image so the name and photo are clear, then confirm that the name on the ID matches your profile. Discrepancies trigger delays. After upload, Facebook will ask you to confirm via the phone number or email on file. Complete 2-factor authentication if prompted. This step is the verification core. Details matter, so double-check image quality and enter text before submitting to avoid repeat attempts. Finish by submitting and then waiting for Facebook's review, which normally takes 24 to 72 hours. You'll get an email or notification when it's done. If the request is rejected, make sure the ID image is sharp, the name exactly matches your profile, and the ID type is acceptable. Then resubmit. If the process freezes or you don't hear back, use the Help Center or support forms with any case ID provided. This escalates the issue. One quick tip: clear app cache or try a desktop browser if the upload fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.